Okay, fish friends, it's gonna be Thursday afternoon after work. See what I can pick up out here. Got some pretty decent shrimp. The wind is really crazy. It's supposed to be out of the west, but it's like southwest at the most. But this is the thing, it's low tide right now, and I've never seen it this low. Look how much of the boat ramp's sticking up out of the water. Sometimes that's underwater. Shells over there. I don't know if you can see in the distance the shell bed. It's giving me a good look at the underwater terrain here, but man, I'm gonna have to try and get out deep. Wish you luck. This one's knocked off of the thing. Did the wind just blow it off? No, I got one, guys. That's what I heard. These catfish up here in the shallow. Look at that one. Look at there. Right off the bat. Right off the bat. Catch you later, big boy. I got him now, guys. I got him now. Whatever he is. God, he looked big. He about took it off the dock. Okay, this one about took it off the dock. And he's fighting weird. What is it? It's a red. So they're biting like crazy out here today. It's in this wind and they are biting. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. There we go. Yeah, Mr. Redfish. There's Mr. Redfish. He about took it away. He about took it away. Oh, that's a good one. Right in the chin. Not by the hair, you chin, chin, chin. So there's a redfish. They're biting. He's done got me now. Something's done got me. Something's done got me. Something's done got me. I can feel him pulling on me. What side am I on? That's a stingray, I can see him. That's a big daddy stingray. See that one been around that piling, guys? That one been around there. That one been around there. He's fighting weird. Oh gosh, man, the stingrays are in here. I'm tired of retiring for you guys. That's like three casts in a row. Well, I can get that guy off. Yeah. Go, he's doing the backstroke. I got him now, guys. I got him now. I got him now. No, not number 5. He's sturdy too. Golly, there's a lot of stingrays, and I'm catching them on not the bottom, because these are not staying on the bottom. This is the king daddy of them all. This is a big stingray. My gosh, look at that one. Okay, tired of tying knots over you, guy. You bad. You're a bad boy. Look at that one, guys. That one's got a stinger and a half. Let's see if he can do the backstroke. No, he's... Look at him. Go on, buddy. Thanks for teaching me how to tie hooks. Go on. There you go. Okay, guys. I just caught a battery change. That's what always happens. Got the poor man's tarpon over there, and I got something on this one way out. I got something on this one way out. Not another. God, this is stingray number 6. This may be my record. Golly. And they're big today. Oh man. Look at this one. Look at this one. Stingray record. 6, I think that's my record. So I've been getting where it tightens it up and it just spits it out. Tightens it up, spits it out. Finally I hooked one. And I hooked him good too, because these are hard to hook. But sometimes known as the poor man's tarpon. Ladyfish is what she is. I got him. Oh gosh. That was one of those, it just went limp on me. And probably a stingray because of the way it hit. All of a sudden I'm holding my hand, it just went limp. Broke my, that braid don't give. That braid does not give. You hit it with that hand. Uh-oh. What have I got? I got something unusual. Oh, it ain't unusual, it's a red. Yes, I had it in my hand. Yes! Yes! Oh, that felt good. Well, I didn't feel good about dislocating my finger. I was holding it tight and I felt it come up and I just went, got him. And I just cast that one out. I just retied that one. Don't you make me retie. No wonder you swallowed that thing. They're getting bigger, guys. They're getting bigger. They ain't no 12, 13 inches no more. These guys are getting some size. I can see it. Sometimes when I can see it, I can get it. Look at that. I got that one so easy. Yeah. Look at there. How's that? Red. Need a white one. He said, I'm no red, I'm a silver. Pretty thing. Thank you, sir. Woo-hoo. Every time I heal that finger up, I do that again. Oh, man. I was just sitting there. I said, I'm about to go home. I got him. God, another one just hit it, guys. I had it in my hand, another one. I'm just sitting here with it in my hand. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I got another one. I don't know what it is. I got another one. I think it's red because it's flying. It's flying. There must be a school of them out there. It's something. It's something. It's something. Look at here. Tell me you don't never know what you're gonna catch out here. You don't never know what you're gonna catch out here. Oh no, oh no. Mr. Salty. Yucky poo. I don't want you. Felt just like the red. I had it in my hand. He whopped it and I socked it to him. That's Mr. Saltwater catfish. See what that looks like? Oh, shiny. Got them big old. Oh. Did I get him? No, I didn't get him. Yeah, I got him. 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 I had my hand on that one. Let's see what we got here. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. That's what I want to feel. It's time for me to go home. What do I got? No. Not 7. Not 7. Not number 7. Broke the stingray record. 7. I think it's time to go home. Oh, I don't know. I might get that one out. Go. One more quick one. Let me see. Oh, I can get that out. I got one piece of shrimp left, I think. Oh, that felt good. I had that one in my hand. He picked it up. He was swimming with it. I hit him. I felt something solid. Whoa, no, 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 no. Come on, I'm tired of you guys. Tired of you guys. Get out of here. Oh, that felt so good. It's hard to go home. I do talk about the variety pack there. I didn't know how I was going to do in the wind, but they do tend to bite a lot better. If I had my choice, I'll take wind over calm any day. It was low tide when I got here and immediately started gushing against the wind. And I went into Stingray Fest 2024. That was my record, 7 stingrays and 2 reds, a freshwater cat, a saltwater cat, and a ladyfish. So that was pretty good for about an hour and a half. Non-stop action. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Until next time, everybody stay safe, keep fit.